Yep. Nope. 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 Yep. Nope.
All right, students, real quick, I'm going to touch base on the statistical questions that we just presented. And I want to talk to you about, hold on, it's going to pop up in 1 second. This is for my Google Meets today. I love that TikTok because it kind of talks a little bit about what are different types of, they gave examples. But what we learned about statistical questions is the fact that, my pen's not working. Hold on 1 second. But what I was saying about statistical questions is it usually has to be something that you collect data on. Something that you have to ask people questions and you have to write it down and then figure out an answer from your data. So, statistical questions have lots of words like average. Average. They might say something like, excuse me, that's my dog. Average, where you have to collect data. They want to know, like, in general, what they're asking. Would that be something that you know an answer right away? Or would you have to go out and just ask questions or do, work to get it? So statistical questions are questions that you have to collect data and that you have to ask questions, okay? If it's not statistical, it means that there's no, data that you have to collect. An example like, does your teacher know how to do the renegade? No, you don't have to collect data for that. Yes or no. There's just one or two answers, one of the two answers, and you don't have to collect data for it. So we did this in class couple months back, so I just want to make sure. I know average was a key word. There were some other keywords I can't think of at the top of my head, but I know average was a biggie, and that might be something you might want to notice on your quiz today. So I just want to make sure that I went over this a little bit even after I showed the video. So I hope you have a great Thursday, and I look forward to see you guys at your gym kit on the practice for the assessment for Friday, either at 10 o'clock or 11 on Friday. All right, have a good afternoon.